This is my 2001 Volvo V70 T5 with a manual. I got reached out to by a company called Super E, and they want to sponsor the build. They sent me a new set of LED fog lights for me to replace my halogen ones with. This is what they currently look like, and I definitely don't think I'm getting much out of them. They say the process is pretty plug and play, and so I figured I'd come out here to the beach with no tools and swap them out. The only other thing I brought with me is something to keep myself from getting wet. So the process is pretty simple. All I have to do is come under here, unplug this clip, and then pull this out. This is what holds the bulb. This is the old H1, and this is the Super E replacement. I have the new fog light plugged in. Now time to put it back into the car. As you can see, this is what the new fog light looks like. This is what the old gross one looks like. And this is what it looks like with both of them on. They installed just like regular bulbs, and I have no error messages on my dashboard. And this is what the lights look like at night.